What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is the channel for me to predict the next price prediction, and also give you guys a technical analysis of all your favorite coins, and just please let me know what coins you guys want me to do, and I'll be happily to give you guys that price prediction. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Today we're looking at Enjin. If you guys don't know what Enjin is, it's another Metaverse coin. It's is actually is actually kind of moving ever since Facebook announced that they're changing from Facebook to Metaverse, and I feel like that's a really big deal because they don't want people to look at Facebook as a social media platform anymore. They want them to look at it as a virtual reality company, to enhance a whole experience when it comes to you know the virtual like meetings and virtual connection, things like that. So Enjin provides that, and I feel like it's behind. I feel like if you were looking at a tier list, right? So I think it's like Mana's on top, Sandbox, and then Enjin, and so on and so forth. That's all. Those are my thoughts. So yeah, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first. Um, as you can see, we want to look at the trend, right? And we have these moving averages here. I do this every single video. That's the first thing we want to look at is the trend. And right now it is a uptrend, correct? And from here, me personally, we like to draw out our horizontal lines. So wherever is where the price predictions has a bump. I call it a bump. I don't know what other people call it, but pretty much a bump is where there's a buy, and then after that it starts going down, right? So for example, this, it went up and went down, right? So that's a bump. Same thing here, went up, try to break through it, went back down, went up, touched it, went back down, right? So we're gonna draw a couple of these. I'll say the best way to do these type of horizontal lines is change it to a line chart. So we're gonna draw one right here. Yeah, we'll draw one right there, and then we'll draw one right. Draw one right there. Oh, where's my horizontal line? Right here. Okay, where this tipping point is. All right. This shows like, if you guys are wondering if why I don't put it here, it's because it's kind of like a false breakout, right? Okay, that's the reason why I don't put it there. But yeah, so let's go ahead and switch it back to candles, and then from here, as you can see, there's a lot of bounces here. So right here, when this price went up, it touched at this horizontal line, went up, then hit this horizontal again. It hit it multiple times. If you guys look at it from right to left, there's one right here, here, right? So from there, now we just like to draw our Fibonacci retracement to see if this is accurate, right? So we want it to do where our higher lows to higher highs, the most recent one. So right now it's an uptrend. So we're gonna do it from. I wouldn't want to do it right here, but since it dropped all the way down here, let's do it from right here. Okay, so from right here, as you can see, the price went up, hit the 0.382, dropped down to 0.618, then it went all the way up to the 0, went down, hit the 0.5, hit this horizontal line, now at the 0.618. Okay, so usually that's where you want to start putting your investment, between the 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, kind of like the last resort. But usually the market usually will bounce around the 0.5, 0.618. So what I'm thinking here is since the market broke through this resistance level, it retested, right, and then went up, hit this horizontal line. So it didn't break, but it made a double top, right? And a double top is from right to left, it did the same pattern, right? So it's one, two top, right? Double top, okay? Hopefully that's like the most simplest way I could like explain it for you guys. If not, you can just look it up what a double top is. There's also a triple top, kind of like what it happened here. So one, two, kind of did a third, and then went back down, right? So right here, this will be instead of a double top, it will be a double bottom, because one, two, right? It formed a double bottom. Now, what I'm thinking, since it did break from right here, it did break through this resistance level. Now it's retesting back again to this level. So I feel like it's gonna go back up one more time. Hopefully this time is gonna break through this strong resistance level. Since it did 1, 2, 3, usually the fourth time it should break. I usually never see the fourth time never break. It'd be like it's super rare. It's super rare. So what I'm thinking is gonna break through it. Is gonna retest back at the strongest resistance level. If it does break, it'll be considered as a new support, correct? So from there, I feel like it's gonna go back up, and was not too sure where, so we'll go ahead and draw our trend-based Fibonacci extension, and we'll do it at the same point from here to here to the 0.5 level. Actually, we do it at the 0.618 level, since that's where the bounce keeps happening. So we're looking at the $4 for the $4 mark for Enjin. So really good sign. Right now is almost at the $3 mark. It's like, when I look at it now, the Metaverse, it's almost like this. It's literally the same price point as Mana and Sandbox. How you guys notice that? Like, looking at it right now, it's $2.86, it's $2.87, and it's $2.87. Like, it feels like it's moving together, and I don't know why. I mean, it is in the Metaverse together, so maybe that's why. But I'm not really too sure, because it's three different companies, three different coins. Not too sure why it's in the same price range, but I feel like once one Metaverse coin moves, the next one will, or they move as a unit, right? So that is my price prediction, and I hope that all the Metaverse in general is going to be a huge long-term investment. I have really high hopes for the Metaverse, because me as a personal gamer, I love gaming, and I feel like Metaverse is the future. It's like Ready Player One level. Like, we'll get to that point. So anyways, feel free to leave the comments below if you guys have any questions. That's it for now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.